Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
Excuse me.
Yes, how can I help?
Please help me.
Sure, I can help.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Can I ask a question?
Yes, go ahead.
Where is the bathroom?
It's over there.
How much is this?
It's $5.
What time is it?
It's 2 o'clock.
I don't understand.
I'll explain it again.
Can you repeat that?
Yes, I'll say it again.
I need some help.
I can help you.
Where are you from?
I am from London.
I am lost.
I can guide you.
Can you speak slowly?
Yes, I'll speak slowly.
I'm learning English.
That's great.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I do.
How do I get to the station?
Go straight and turn left.
I'm just looking.
Okay, take your time.
Can you show me?
Yes, I'll show you.
What's your phone number?
My number is 899-6854.
I'll be right back.
Okay, I'll wait.
What's the weather like?
It's sunny today.
I don't feel well.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Could you say that again?
Yes, I'll say it again.
I'm hungry.
Let's get some food.
I'm thirsty.
I'll get you some water.
I'm tired.
You should rest.
Do you have a pen?
Yes, I have one.
Where do you work?
Yes, I work at a restaurant.
Can you help me with this?
Sure, I'll help you.
Do you have Wi-Fi?
Yes, I have.
Can you give me directions?
Yes, follow me.
I like this.
I like it too.
I don't like this.
That's okay.
This is my friend.
Nice to meet you.
I'm busy.
I understand.
How can I help you?
I need some information.
Can you wait a moment?
Yes, I'll wait.
It's a nice day.
Yes, it is.
I'm going home.
Have a safe trip.
See you later.
See you soon.
Can I sit here?
Yes, go ahead.
Can I borrow this?
Yes, you can borrow it.
Do you need help?
Yes, I could use some help.
Can you call me?
Yes, I'll call you.
I'm late.
That's okay.
Let's go.
All right, let's go.
I'm ready.
Great, let's start.
Please wait for me.
I'll wait for you.
Do you have a reservation?
Yes, I do.
Where is the nearest bank?
It's down the street.
Can I get a receipt?
Sure, here it is.
I'm not sure.
Let me check.
Can I try this on?
Yes, you can.
How old are you?
I'm 27 years old.
I'm on my way.
See you soon.
I'm going to bed.
Okay, good night.
Have a good day.
You too.
Have a nice trip.
Thank you.
I hope you feel better.
Thank you. I hope so too.
I'm on vacation.
That sounds fun.
I'm here on business.
That's interesting.
I'm here on holiday.
Enjoy your holiday.
Do you have children?
Yes, I have 3 children.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have 2 siblings.
Are you married?
Yes, I am.
What do you like to do?
I like to read.
Do you have pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
Can you write it down?
Yes, I'll write it for you.
Can you give me a discount?
Let me check.
How far is it?
It's about 15 minutes away.
Can I pay with a credit card?
Yes, you can.
Is this seat taken?
No, it's free.
Do you have change?
Yes, I do.
What do you think?
I think it's great.
How was your day?
It was good, thanks.
Can you show me the way?
Sure, follow me.
When does it open?
It opens at M.
When does it close?
It closes at 6 p.m.
Do you need anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to our channel.